Oh my goodness, we're recording and the preview's working. I got the phone to join up. Persistence pays off, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see if I can get the phone to go on there. And what I want to do here is check my view ahead and see if I've got enough motorcycle. Guy, it would sure look like it. Can't get on the darn thing. Ooh, age. Yeah, it looks like I do. Okay, we're going to take her for a ride. Let's fire her up. There she goes. Okay, I'm going to shut it down for a second while I close the garage, get stuff going. There goes my jacket. That is now working again, my safety jacket. Be back to you in a flash.